Here's the top of our property where they've dug a ditch right down the side of the property, and it's just eroding away. Thought Swiftmud was supposed to be throwing tires, old tires, into the erosion so that they can supposedly stop it, but they're creating it instead of stopping erosion. And what they're doing is they've dug a ditch all the way to down the side of the property. This 2-3 foot ditch down the whole side of the property that is now taking the water, and instead of running it into a pond, it's running it onto our property. It's just amazing that they're allowed to do this. And they've dug this ditch so close to our property edge that now the edge of the property is starting to fall in. You see that right here, this is it, right at the edge of the property. It's starting to fall right down into the ditch. And so eventually our driveway will erode and we won't have a driveway anymore, to the tune of $5,000 worth of asphalt. I mean, look at that. That's, what, 2 inches from the edge of the driveway. Unbelievable that they're allowed to do this with impunity, and because they're a blueberry field. That's a 3-foot drop right there from the edge of the driveway down into their ditch that they've been dug. This obviously, this is the normal level of the ground. If you look straight across, and if you look how much they've dug down, they took hundreds of yards of dirt out of this ditch all the way up the edge of the property and moved it someplace. They probably used it on their blueberry field somehow to fill something else in. But the bottom line is they're diverting all the water now and creating an erosion hazard, and it's just unbelievable. I mean, it's just that they are allowed to do this with impunity. Agriculture, yeah, in the name of agriculture. Anyway, I hope this does get somebody upset and somebody listening, and we appreciate you're watching this video. Thank you very much. Oh, by the way, there's also, I'll show you some trees too.